The BA Hons content creation degree at Arts University Plymouth is designed for people who already love making digital content or have a creative niche and want to take their interests seriously. Whether you're filming, editing, writing, or building an audience online, this course helps you turn creative instinct into professional practice. In a world shaped by digital communication, content is no longer optional. It is how ideas are shared, stories are told, and audiences are reached across every industry. Throughout the course, you will develop creative, technical, and analytical skills across a wide range of media. You will work with moving image, photography, audio, animation, and written communication, learning how each form operates independently and together. Alongside making, you will develop a critical understanding of content creation, examining its social, political, and ethical impact, and exploring how responsible and inclusive storytelling can shape our perception and behaviour. Project-based learning sits at the core of the course. You will work on live briefs, collaborative projects, and industry-led assignments, often beyond the university campus and within real-world environments and events. Our partnership with the Influencer Academy means that students can gain real work experience while studying. These experiences introduce you to professional workflows, client engagement, and the realities of working in the creative industries, while helping you build confidence, adaptability, and a strong professional portfolio. You will have access to industry-standard studios, editing suites, and production spaces, supported by one of the most extensive equipment resources available to students. With thousands of pieces of professional kit available to borrow, you are encouraged to experiment, refine your skills, and work confidently with a wide range of technologies. The course also explores emerging tools and platforms, including AI, immersive media, and interactive design, helping you understand how digital technologies continue to reshape creative practice and audience relationships. Content creation does not exist in isolation. You will learn how audiences engage with platforms, how brands and campaigns are built, and how data, strategy, and creativity intersect. The course embeds professional skills throughout, including marketing, branding, ethics, and business development, preparing you for freelance work, agency roles, or employment within creative organisations. Graduates of the course go on to work as digital content creators, social media executives, producers, writers, strategists, and creative directors, while others build independent freelance practices or personal brands. At Arts University Plymouth, this course is about more than learning how to make content. It's about understanding why it matters, who it's for, and how creative voice can operate responsibly and confidently in a rapidly changing digital world.